Hi friends, welcome to my EasyTech YouTube channel. This video all about GLC PCB. Check description for more information. GLC PCB is a website to order great quality and professional looking PCBs at very cheap rate for your electronics project. They provide 10 PCB at just $2. In this video, I'll show you how to make a custom PCB and order from GLC PCB. Let's go. At first, open glcpcb.com on your web browser and log in with your user ID and password. If you are not a registered user, then click on register and write your username, mail ID and password and create your account free. After logging the page on glcpcb.com, you can see here the details for circuit board. 2-layer PCB costs $2 for 10 pieces and 4-layer PCB $15 for 10 pieces. Here you can see the some example which is output from glcpcb.com, and you can see the Easy EDA. Easy EDA is the free tool for design your circuit, and click this image, try Easy EDA now. You can see the platform for design your custom circuit. This is our workspace where we can design our circuit. Here at the left side there are the some parts list for the basic component which required to make the PCB. If you don't find any components from the list, you can search this component from library. Type here the components name and select your components and place the components on workspace. After place the all parts or components on into your workspace and connect each other via wire. After complete your circuit design, save your circuit, and after that click on convert to PCB. Here you can see your PCB size and all the parts available here and all the components to place into the PCB layout, and click on auto route for the circuit connectivity or PCB design. So after the auto route it's look like this. Also you can do the routing manually for professional looking. Now click on Gerber fabrication file. That is Gerber file, and if there are some DRC error, you can clear and or ignore if you confident that your circuit is okay. After click on this and generate Gerber file. Your Gerber file will be downloaded, and this is the Gerber file. And again open glcpcb.com and choose the 2-layer PCB for your PCBs. If you want to 4-layer PCB, then select 4-layer PCB. After choosing the 2-layer PCB, now upload your Gerber file here and check all the parameters. If you want to change the color or any other parameters, the GLC PCB will be charges extra cost for the another parameters. Now save the cart. Verify your delivery address and click on checkout securely. I got my PCBs within 2 weeks and I was chosen at shipping time DHL courier. After open the box, I got my PCBs and GLC PCB pin. Now opening GLC PCBs packages. GLC PCB provides to me with very good packaging, and this is my PCB, and this is the professional look like PCB is very good, and this quality is very good, and everything is okay. You can see the all connection is very clear. This PCB only for Bluetooth control home appliance and Bluetooth controls fan speed. If you want to know how to work this PCB and how to make this PCB completely, please watch my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.